What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, guys. This is a different type of video on the channel. We don't post a lot of IRL videos and stuff like that on the channel, mostly 2K, but I wanted to post this video. A lot of you guys haven't seen my new car. I'll be making a video showing the inside, showing everything of the car next week, so make sure you guys stay tuned on that. We'll be making a video on that to show you guys, but I wanted to make this video because there's not a lot of videos for all my car people. There's not a lot of videos on the regular V6 SXT Dodge Challenger. I have the 2019, guys, and I changed the exhaust system. We went ahead and installed the Borla Atak. I'm gonna link it down below in the description. If you guys have any questions of the part number or anything like that, go ahead and comment and ask me, and I'll I'll help you guys out. There's also other alternatives as well, but man, this is the best sound honestly you could get probably out of the V6 with the exhaust system. It's probably one of the best ones, man, in my opinion. So I just wanted to break it down a little bit, but I'm gonna let it play, man. I'm gonna play the stock exhaust. I recorded the stock exhaust sound, and I recorded after it got installed, so you guys can hear the difference of the car. I know that's what you guys are here for in the video, so let's get right into it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and play that, and like I said, man, if you guys have any questions of what I put and stuff, and it's a real cheap install. If you want to do it by yourself, I didn't do it by myself. I took it to the shop. They only charged me $100. Depends on what shop you take it to. They might charge you $100, or they might charge you probably $100 to $250. Depends where you take it. I think that's what they'll be charging you guys around. But it's a quick install, man, and they installed it the same day. And like I said, man, this honestly is better than the Flowmaster, the American Thunder, the Catback exhaust. I think this honestly is way better than that, so if you guys were looking for it. But let's go ahead and play the sound, man, so you guys can hear the difference.